Zen is a beautiful way of life. Those people understand Zen, he can understand the happiness because Zen is the only way you can attain the state, whatever you want to call it. You can call the state of Buddhahood, a state of Nirvana, a state of anything you want to call it. You can call because Zen gives tremendous importance for natural life. So that's why the many Zen master wrote beautiful haiku for the practice of Zen. So many people are practicing Zen on that beautiful haiku. They are using that beautiful haikus. So I heard one beautiful haiku, or it's called Zen Proverb. The sound of rain needs no translation. It's very, very beautiful and pragmatic, meaningful Zen haiku. Those practitioners are sitting for meditation and listening sound of nature. He can listen sound of rain, and only he can understand what is the meaning of that sound. Nobody can understand because only those are listening that music of rain, that sound of rain. Only he can go in the deep state of Zen. He can attain the state of Satori, or he can attain the state of Jimpai. So, really, that sound of rain needs no translation. Only Zen man can understand by itself, by himself. I also not translate that thing. I just indicate you there is a deepest meaning of sound of rain. There is a deepest meaning of every sound of nature. So you must practice. Practice every day. Practice Zen each moment to moment. Then you can understand what exactly meaning of Zen. Then no need to tell anybody. You are simply you're walking, you're behaving with other persons. Only your silence also indicates your state. That state you must have to attain. So many people are just doing the academic study of Buddhism or academic study of Zen. Don't do only academic study. You have to practice. Don't waste your time because someday or any day, death will come. You will die any time. So before death, you must understand the value of the life. And your value of the life is you are not only living here for food, for enjoy. You are living here because you need you need more and more experience of the life. You must understand the life with each dimension. So not only you have to practice objective life, not only you have to practice only about the morality and the behavior, that thing related to the society. Buddhism is behind that. Zen is beyond that. So Buddha teaching beyond that. So you have to practice subjective with objective. Objective and subjective, they are not two polarities. Objective is flower and subjective is the root. So that's why Zen, if you want to understand, you have to practice meditation. You have to practice zazen. Then you can understand what's the meaning of sound of brain and why no need to translation. Because translation you can understand by yourself. Must attain. That's the beauty of Zen.